One of the nicest features of your Sundance spa is something that you'll never see, but every time you settle in for a relaxing soak, you'll experience it. Peace of mind that you're in the cleanest, freshest, most relaxing water possible, thanks to our exclusive CLEARRAY water management system. CLEARRAY uses proven natural ultraviolet light to sanitize your water. It is the same technology that bottling and beverage manufacturers, municipal wastewater plants, hospitals, and other healthcare environments use to keep themselves clean, safe, and healthy. Using its trusted high-powered strength, CLEARRAY works instantly and simply. Within seconds of water entering the CLEARRAY system, 99.9% of waterborne bacterial and viral DNA is destroyed, eliminating the opportunity for growth. The CLEARRAY system is effortless, effective, and reliable, disinfecting the entire spa faster than traditional water care systems. This powerful system is eco-friendly, so you can spend less time on water care and more time enjoying your spa. There's no setup or programming required. CLEARRAY is standard on most models. The durable, long-lasting CLEARRAY system is integrated into your spa's plumbing. An annual bulb replacement is all that's needed. The control panel even indicates when it's time to replace. Eco-friendly also means no odors and no skin irritants to detract from your spa experience. So immerse yourself in the crystal clear water and relax. CLEARRAY is making your experience clearly better.